Hey, this is Paul. I hope you're doing well. I'm in the wood shop today, actually going into the lower garage where the Mission Overland trailer is. A couple videos ago, I had a video about my Mission Overland trailer, and I've had a couple people ask me about the boxes I have on the top, and that's what today's video is going to be about, is the Frontrunner boxes, kind of my progress through them, and what I'm using today. Should be a brief video, and then I'll also have some links on where you can go look at them and why I bought them before. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Take care. Bye.
Welcome to the Mountain Man Chronicles, where the spirit of adventure comes alive. I'm thrilled to have you join our journey into the great outdoors. I'm Paul Piazza. I'm your guide through the wilderness and the storyteller behind the Mountain Man Chronicles. I hope you share in our love and appreciation of what this great world has to offer. Here we live in three simple principles: live, learn, and explore. Live, immerse yourself in the thrill of the moment, whether it be overlanding, exploring unique ghost towns, or simply enjoying the serenity of nature. We believe in living life to its fullest. Learn, cultivate that childlike curiosity. Every adventure is an opportunity to learn and discover something new. From overlanding trips to mastering trail navigation, we're a constant journey of learning and growing. Explore. Be comfortable with the uncomfortable. Venture into the unknown. Our chronicles are a testament to the places we've been and the stories waiting to be untold. Join us as we explore the hidden trails to the pristine lakes and the mysterious places this great nation has to offer. And of course, what adventure would be successful without proper planning and the right gear? We'll be showcasing some of the tools of the trade along our journeys. I truly hope you enjoy our chronicles and the journey that my wife and I travel through during our overlanding adventures. Thanks for watching.
So we have the Frontrunner box. So I started with the Series 1, and they don't seal, so I moved up to the Series 2. Now the Series 1 actually fit in the back of a Gladiator really well, so I put those in back, and they are stackable, which I'll show you in a minute. This is the one with the flat lid. They also make a bubble lid. What I love about the Frontrunner boxes is, first of all, they seal really well. No water inside, which I'll show you. You'll notice it's kind of dirty from my last trip. And then and the second thing is you can add different lids. So the lids make them move up. The third thing is they are extremely stackable, and I like that because they lock down really well. Now I've gone through a progression of storage boxes. I started out with just the Rubbermaid tough boxes, which I have about a dozen of. Now I've moved up to these Frontrunners, and they're just game changer for me. They work really well, and the best thing is they're fairly inexpensive. So that also was a really big thing that I wanted. One of the things I found was a bear early on was these latches. When you first put them on, they're a pain. You got to give them a good whack to put them on. They're not as bad now. These have been tested, both the old ones and the new ones. The old ones have been abused, and they're tough. Now the latches, when I first put them on, was a bear. So when doing the latches on the first ones, it was very challenging to get them to lock. Now they lock fairly easy, and they mount on. So the locking on the new ones is a lot better. I do like the Frontrunner boxes. You can see we label them, and they're stackable. You'll see here in a moment we have bubble lids on the other one, and I'll show you how they mount on the Mission Overland trailer. You'll see on the Mission Overland trailer that the boxes fit in the rack really well. Now between them I have my fire pit, and then you'll see on the back side over there I have one with the bubble lid. In a moment I'll put the one on the bubble lid and show you how they lock in. You'll see that they stack as well, and they lock in place. Now this is what I meant by the bubble lid. Bubble lid is basically the same lid, but it's got more room on top, and it locks in the same way. Same type of sealing, seals really well. I have not had any water get in. They've stayed dust proof while I'm on the trail. So can't say that I'm happier with them. They've been outstanding, been really well. They lock in really well, no complaints. Even with all the mud and grime coming from the trailer, work exceptionally well. So that's it. Frontrunner storage boxes. They do make mounts for them. I haven't looked at their mounts. They also make a locking strap that I'm looking at right now, so I can lock them in and lock it so nobody can get curious about what's in my boxes. That'll probably be next on the list. Hope you enjoy the video. Remember, like and subscribe. Thank you.